How's it going, guys? Stefan is here and you're watching SYG Tech. So we have the iPhone SE first generation on an iOS 15 nearly a week. So this iPhone actually is being pretty well. I was very excited and a little bit skeptical if this iPhone will work as supposed to. My main device is the iPhone 7 here, 7 Plus, and I balance between these two devices just to make sure I give you the right test. So yeah, iPhone SE first generation 2016, 2 gigabytes of RAM with A9 chip, amazing iPhone, and this iPhone actually is the smallest that you can buy right now from all the Apple ecosystem. So let me know in the comments down below if you still have the iPhone SE first generation, and I'm pretty excited to check your comments down below. Apologize about the lighting situation, so just the weather is pretty changeable in here in UK as you expected. But yeah, this is the smallest iPhone that you can buy right now and runs the latest version of the iOS 4-inch compact iPhone. You can play games, you can watch videos. I know that I know many people still using these iPhones because they like the small compact iPhone. So let me know in the comments down below. I know there's some people already asking for battery tests on a daily use for all the iPhones. So if you're into that, please make sure to subscribe and turn your bell notifications and leave your comments in the descriptions down below. Well, in the comments down below in the comment section if you want to see battery test. But yeah, as always, I'm very happy about this iPhone. Was working very good, no complaints, everything works as you expected, no slowdowns. So I don't know, let me know in the comments down below if your iPhone is working fine, if you have any problems, any issues with your older iPhones. But this iPhone is pretty good in my opinion because it's the oldest, runs very good, no problems, and I love this compact small design. I love it. I know many people love this design. This is classic design. And let me show you. This runs the latest version of the iOS, which I hope Apple is keeping these iPhones up to date at least for 1 year. Please, Apple, do it because I know many people will be disappointed if these iPhones I hope this is not the last software update on the iPhone SE and iPhone 6s because this is the two oldest iPhones that you can buy right now, and I'm gonna be sad if Apple says that, you know what, 5 years of iOS support is enough, so I think it's time to say goodbye. But they are pretty capable of running at least for 1 year, at least to iOS 16, maybe 16.2.3. So I hope Apple is doing this because I know many people will be sad. But let me know in the comments down below if you have the iPhone SE first generation and if you want to see a battery test daily day use on a, let's say, your normal use when you use this phone on a daily basis. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see that, and also hit that subscribe button and turn your bell notifications to be updated about the older iPhones because I really enjoying to make these videos. It's a lot of fun. I don't know if there's Apple fans there for all the devices. Let me know in the comments down below. But this is just quick video about the iPhone SE first generation. Nothing wrong with this iPhone if you have it on a daily basis. 4-inch small compact. We still have the headphone jack here, lightning port here, one single speaker. For gaming purposes, this is not going to be great, but you still can play some games. Why not? Watch some videos. Why not? But other than that, I think this is working very well in my opinion. Pretty much this is the iPhone 6s, but in a smaller body. But let me know in the comments down below if you still have this iPhone or you already bought an older iPhone. Well, a new iPhone, maybe 7, 8. Let me know in the comments down below. This just was a quick video about the iOS 15 on a iPhone SE first generation a week of use. So let me know in the comments down below, guys, what do you think? I'm really enjoying these videos. Make sure to subscribe. This is the only way to support this channel. Just subscribe and turn your bell notification. This is pretty much all that you need to do if you like this content. Pretty much this is for the iPhone SE first generation. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see something else. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.